Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Onepay at Walmart. In order to do so, you can head over to walmart.com and I'd recommend searching for Onepay. You should find this screen here and you can see where you can click to get started. Now, according to Cider AI, to use Onepay at Walmart, you can use it both online and in-store. For online purchases, select Onepay wallet at checkout. In-store, you can add a credit or debit card to your Onepay wallet either during checkout or through the One app. At the register or fuel station, scan the QR code using the One app to check out. You earn 1 point for every $10 spent at Walmart using Onepay. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, click on the link in the description. You will find a link to our link tree. There you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft 60 will get you 60% off your subscription. It is a fantastic business strategy platform. Highly recommend it. It's one of our favorite AI tools. We're very proud to be partnered with Sintra. And you'll also find links for Cider AI and for EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. We would greatly appreciate it. And also, we are now on X. Go to X, follow us on X. We're just getting started. We can use the followers. Join us there. We are posting some great AI content on a regular basis, and we'd be happy to have you.